The real Marigold Hotel has caused controversy by airing scenes of its famous pensioners disparaging Indian culture and society, in addition to showing animal slaughter. The BBC series featured the likes of Stephanie Beacham, I'm a Celebrity favourite Stanley Johnson and the Crankies living together in an exotic Indian ashram along with Selena Scott, former EastEnders stars Peter Dean and Susan George, champion jockey Bob Champion and comedian Sid Little. Advertisement. Continue reading below. Wednesdays, August 1st. Series premiere got off to an auspicious start within moments of the celebrities arriving in the Indian city of Udaipur. When Beacham described her surroundings as looking a bit grubby, fans were quick to criticize her for being culturally insensitive. Warning, NSFW tweets below. Advertisement. Continue reading below. In her confessional segment, Beacham also ruffled feathers by promoting stereotypes that Indian society is chaotic, saying, India is chaos, which is vibrancy, which is life. Ian Tuff referred to India as a backward country in his own interview segment, before instantly realizing that his comment would be seen as offensive. Is it backward to say backward? It's pretty basic, he followed up. Graphically violent scene in which a chicken was beheaded on screen prior to it being cooked for the cast. Warning, NSFW tweets below. Advertisement. Continue reading below.